Bitcoin and the major dollar pairs continue in their powerful bearish descent. We are looming over the abyss of a price drop. It's really bad, guys. Are we on the precipice of a multi-$1,000 correction in Bitcoin's valuation? We'll talk about back launching with all the fanfare of an elementary Boy Scout parade. Meanwhile, is the economy due for its own pullback as the money injected by the Federal Reserve into the repo market tops $400 billion with no plans in sight to stop? This is a panic effort to prevent an economic crisis, but will it succeed? Find out in today's exciting episode of Breaking Bitcoin. Welcome to Breaking Bitcoin, recorded live here in the studio Tuesday, September 24th, 2019, your daily source for market updates, sentiment, and news for cryptocurrency traders and investors. I am your host, Justin Wise, lead analyst and senior mentor at KrakenCryptocurrency.com. Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely fantastic wherever you happen to be tuning in from, and whether you're watching us from across YouTube, Twitch, DLive, Facebook Live, or on Roku with the Investor News Channel app if you want to support the show, and you know you do. Make sure to subscribe, follow, share, and engage in the live chat, and hit those thumbs up buttons. We've got a fantastic show for you guys today. Of course, today's episode is brought to you by the Kraken Cryptocurrency Premium Trading Group. If you are a new, aspiring, or experienced trader looking to sharpen your skills, make sure to check out the link in the description below to see all that the Premium Trading Group can offer to you as a growing trader looking to maximize a statistical edge. We want to start off today's episode by thanking this month's crypto comment giveaway sponsor, Spectre Security Coin. Make sure to check them out at spectresecurity.io. So let's not waste a moment. We've got so much market to cover, so many things to go over. We missed yesterday's show. We weren't able to do yesterday's show, taking care of life things. So let's get into the market and break it all down. So without further ado, let's pop over into the live scene, give away some crypto, and see what's the right move to make today. Let's go. All right, here we are in the live scene, and as I always am in this scene, kind of popping out of bounds here, you know what I mean? So let's head on over to the YouTube random comment generator, and we'll choose a video. Let me go grab the URL from Friday's video, and this was Bitcoin's short-lived moon mission and how predictive that video actually was. Make sure you guys go check that out if you get a chance. We talked about the CME, the IMF, Congress, and the SEC. So many fundamental things coming up for Bitcoin's price as we move forward. Loading the comments, and we've got 14 potential winners. Thank you guys so much for all the support, for commenting, randomly picking a winner, and it is me. All right, congratulations, Kraken Crypto. You are the winner. No, let's pick somebody different. And it's me again. This is what you get when you respond to comments. David Rice, AKA White Rice. What's up, my dude? Thanks for another great show. If we don't suffer sometimes, we won't know when things are good. That is correct. That is a common philosophy of the universe. Why is evil allowed to exist in the universe? And one would argue, and I do argue, that without a frame of reference for what good is, and the only way that you can know what something is to understand its polarity, to understand its inverse, to understand its opposite, we would not appreciate pleasure or goodness or greatness if we did not know pain or despair or nothingness. So that is why evil exists in the universe. It is quite simple. And it is generally through suffering and struggle that we attain the maximum heights of our potential growth as human beings. Now, as many of you know, who have gone on to be liquidated on BitMEX and come back a better, stronger, safer, faster trader. Moving on into the live scene. All right, hopefully you guys are doing fantastic. Let me know how you guys are doing in the chat. Let me get it pulled open, make sure I can see you guys. All right, who do we got in here today? All right, Jose Canetta, what's up, my dude? Neo Gaming, Moonshine Fuel, Dark Rico, Cody Stoll, Victorian Violet, good to see you. Ken D, no panic here. Eternal, Tim A. Oh, we got a good group of people in here today. Sansi, what's going on? Reluca, Cogito, good to see you, my good friend. Good to see you. And of course, Restream Bot in there doing its old crazy Walula thing again. MT Coiner, Ron Legato, Agency, Mr. Hut QC, Ron Legato. I think I said your name twice, but you deserve for me to say your name twice. Satoshi Nakafomo. There's just too many of you. You guys are doing absolutely fantastic. All right, let's scroll down. Your Twitter post about the amount of volume backed it had me rolling. Great way to start the morning. Nitten Soki, good to see you as well, my friend. All right. Can I add a function to put me on 3x speed? Get to the news. No, I cannot. Sorry. It all comes with the show, my good friend, but thank you so much for the suggestion. Let's get right into Bitcoin's price. We're going to start off with BTC USD. All right, and also kind of give you guys a glimpse for a few other things. So here's BTC USD. Let's take this line off. We'll talk about that in just a second. We'll just talk about where we are. And honestly, I want to let you guys know, within the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be introducing my new indicator onto the stream. I've been developing it for a while, and I recently had a really, and, you know, I've had it for a while. It's just sometimes taking things that exist in other programming languages and putting them into Pine aren't always the simplest procedures. I think that I annoy my developers more with my Pine than I assist sometimes, but I enjoy manual trading. It is very different from the realm of automated trading. And so when it comes to manual trading, I love developing indicators that one can use manually, because that is the majority of what I do is manually trade. I manually trade higher time frames, and I've had very good success with that. So always developing new tools, not only for myself to use, but also for our members to use as well. And often those tools do find their way out into the public zone, as you guys can see if you guys go over to tv.krakencryptocurrency.com and check out some of my indicators. Now, so here we are on the daily time frame chart of Bitcoin. We are below the baseline. Fisher Transform is printing a green dot of life, but no crossover yet. Minx is also down in the depths, down way in the down low. Now, we did get a continuation signal on Minx over here on, we got that continuation signal on the 20th. And that's actually, that was the open of the 20th. That's actually when we did reshort Bitcoin on the 20th, taking our full risk position. EOS as well on that same date. Obviously, those trades have gone very well. Now, coming in on today's candle, we're getting that confirmation from Wadatar Explosion. We had the rising explosion level. Over on the 21st. One could have taken a confirmed trade on the 21st. However, we weren't above the dead zone filter. If one is doing that, keep in mind that your settings may be different than mine on the dead zone filter. Now, I've also changed the way that this looks so you guys can very clearly see that dead zone filter down there at the bottom. I know that some people were having trouble seeing that, and while you will not have trouble seeing it on your own chart because it's a pretty easy to see crystal clear dotted line on stream, I can understand because people are going to be watching us mobile, people are going to be watching